In this video, you'll learn how to create custom fields in Asana. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your project management by tracking essential information tailored to your team's needs. Start by opening the Asana app on your desktop browser or mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into the correct Asana account to save your changes accurately. Once you are logged in, select the workspace and project where you wish to add custom fields. This step is crucial because custom fields are created within specific projects or libraries. Confirming your location now will help prevent any confusion later in the process. Next, navigate to the project where you want to create a custom field and open it. Look near the top of the project interface for the Customize or Fields option. Clicking on this option will take you to a section that allows you to manage existing fields and add new ones. Custom fields are particularly useful for tracking additional information such as status, priority, or cost, making this menu a key step in building fields that suit your workflow. After accessing the Fields menu, click the option to add or create a new custom field within the project. You will then need to choose the field type that best meets your requirements. Options include text, number, dropdown, or date. Giving the custom field a clear and descriptive name is important, as it helps team members understand how to utilize it effectively. If you select a drop-down type, you can also set additional options, including the choices available or any default values. Once you've configured the custom field to your liking, save the field to finalize the process. The newly created custom field will immediately become available for all tasks within the project. This instant availability ensures that your team can start using the field right away, enhancing your project management capabilities. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon